Hi, this is Aryan from Punk Pixels. Today in this video, we are going to see how to increase or enhance the quality of your images from this to this in just 5 minutes. Yeah, in just 5 minutes. You don't have to be an expert or something in Photoshop. Just see this video and we are way to go. So I am here at photopea.com. It is a similar software as Photoshop. It works similar. It has a similar interface as Photoshop. It is very nice website for beginners to edit their photos and start creating. The link will be in the description. Go ahead and open it. So to open your photos in photopea.com, you can go to files, open, or you can go to this option open from computer and select the photo you want. So for this video, we'll edit this image, we'll enhance its quality. As you can see in this image, the brightness is very high and the colors are somewhat dull. So we'll go ahead and edit it. So to start editing, first we'll make a copy of this image by pressing Ctrl J. So why I made a copy of this image is to have a backup in case we do something wrong with this image. So we will edit this image by adding an adjustment layer to it. You can go to the image adjustment and choose whatever you want, or you can go to this circle icon, half white, half black, click it and choose the option. Right now I will be using brightness and contrast. In this image the brightness is very high, so we'll decrease the brightness by moving the slider to the left, and I will also decrease the contrast by moving the slider to the left. And now we'll add another adjustment layer to it, which is levels. So what levels does, if we move the black slider to the right, it darkens the dark colors, and if you move the white slider to left, it lightens the light colors. So we'll go ahead and move the black slider to right to darken the dark colors, and we will move the gray slider to left to balance the color in the image. And now we'll add a new adjustment layer to it, which is vibrance. So what vibrance does, it enhances the color of this image without disturbing the skin tone. We'll go ahead and increase the vibrance by moving the slider to the right. Now we will add one more adjustment layer to it, which is hue and saturation, and we will increase the saturation by moving the saturation bar to the right, and also we will increase the lightness by moving the lightness bar to the right. So this is what the image looks like after editing. This is the image before editing and this is the image after editing. As you can see, there is a vast difference between the two images, the before one and the after one. It looks very nice. Now we'll move on to the second image. So here we are at the second image. As you can see, the colors are dull and the brightness near this Eiffel Tower is very high. We'll go ahead and edit it. So to start editing, I will make a copy of this image by pressing Ctrl or Command J and add a new adjustment layer to it by going to this circle icon and choosing brightness and contrast. First of all, we'll go ahead and increase the brightness by moving the slider to the right or just typing your value in this box. Yeah, this works fine. And we'll also decrease some contrast to remove the black color in the outlines. So we'll go ahead and decrease the contrast by moving the slider to the left. And also we'll add one more adjustment layer to it, which is hue and saturation. And now we will increase the saturation of it by moving the slider to the left or just typing your value in this box. Yeah, this works fine. Now we'll add a new adjustment layer to it, which is vibrance, and we'll increase the vibrance by moving the vibrance slider to the right. It looks very nice after editing. The quality of the image has been enhanced. This is the before one and this is the after image. It looks very nice after editing. Now this image is pretty well done. Now we'll move to the third image. So I am here at the third image. We'll start editing. So first we'll make a copy of this image by pressing Ctrl plus J and add a new adjustment layer to it, which is hue and saturation. We'll increase the saturation of this image by moving the saturation bar to the right, and also we'll add a new adjustment layer to it, which is brightness and contrast, and we'll increase the contrast of this image to enhance the colors by moving the slider to the right. And now we'll add a final adjustment layer, which is vibrance, and we will move the slider to the right to add vibrance. This is fine, this works perfect. As you can see, the image has been enhanced, the quality of this image has been enhanced. This is the before one and this is the after one. As you can see, the colors of the leaves are more fresh and they are not dull. In the before one, the color was somewhat dull, and in the after one, the colors are more enhanced and it looks pretty. So that's it from this video. Go ahead and smash a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel for more interesting videos, and also comment down topics for more videos.